Sri Guru Sharana. Good afternoon, dear students. I hope you are all well. I begin the Lord Sarvasveshwara to give the good health and wealth to every citizen of the world. Well, dear students, today we are going to continue the shortcuts for definite integrals. In the previous class, we have seen few problems with the very TikTok methods. Today also, we would like to continue with those definite integrals. Let us see the first integral. Integration from 0 to pi sin 4x into cos 10x dx equals. Options are 4, 10, 1, 0. For this, the shortcut is, suppose if the given definite integral is of the form 0 to pi sin ax into cos bx dx, if a minus b is even, a minus b is even, then the value of the integral is equal to 0. The value of the integral is equal to 0 if this difference a minus b is even. So sign is not important here, only the quantity which is positive or negative. Here you see this is for a, this is b. Here a minus b, 4 minus 10 is 6. It is, the difference is even, therefore value of this integral is 0. That is option D was. Well, so now let us see the second problem. Integral from 0 to pi sin 12x into cos 5x dx equals. Options are 17, 7, 24 by 119 and 12 by 119. 24 by 190 and 12 by 190. Here, if the given integral is of the form 0 to 5 sin ax into cos bx dx, if the difference a minus b is odd, then the value of the integral is equal to 2ab divided by a square minus b square. If the difference is even, we have seen in the previous problem, value was 0. So if the difference of a and b is odd, a is 12, b is 5, it is same as the previous question also. Only the difference of a and b is odd here. 12 minus 5 is 7, it is odd. Therefore, its value is equal to 2ab by a square minus b square. For our problem, it is I equal to 2, a is 12 into b is, only 2a. 2a by a square minus b square. It is 2 into a is 12 divided by a square. 12 square is 144 minus b square. 5 square is 25 is equal to 2 12s are 24 divided by the by subtracting 144 and 25. This is the difference is 119. So if difference of a and b is odd, then this integration takes 2a by a square minus b square. It is 24 by 19. So option C is right. Yes. Now we have to go to the next question, which is question number 3. It is integral 0 to 10 pi modulus of sin x dx equals to. Given options are 20, 15, 10, 40. So shortcut. Here we have to find first integral 0 to pi modulus of sin x dx. You know integration of sin is minus cos. So in 0 to pi, in this interval, sin is always positive in both first and second quadrant. So 0 to pi minus of cos of upper limit minus cos of 0 equal to minus cos of pi is minus 1 minus cos 0 is 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 of minus plus 2. So value of the integral 0 to pi modulus sin x dx equal to 2 even. First we have to find whatever it may be this limit. First we have to find 0 to pi fx dx. Its value is 2 here. After that our integral is 0 to 10 pi modulus of sin x dx equals to, just we have to, what is the integration of 0 to pi modulus sin x dx? It is 2. It should be multiplied by the, what is coefficient of pi here, this integer? It is 10. So its value is 20. So if you want to verify, you can go through the usual theoretical method, you will get 20. So this is very shortcut and tick-tock method to find the value of such integrals. Our option is 20.